DTF. Here I am using CorelDRAW. You can use any other software. Here the size will be 22.5 by 39. This is 1 meter. Now I'll import some files in this. I have ready files with me. Suppose, for example, this is the PNG I need. I'm just dragging it. You can right click and import it also. So now see, you have to remove. Right now the image size, you can see it is showing 14 by 21. But in actual, if you calculate the height, it is only 15. So you have to remove this excess background. You click here, go to shape tool and select and remove this. Alright, I want to print it in A4. So A4 will always be 11-inch wide. So this is my A4 size. Whatever is the height, it will be proportional. Never tell us that 11 by 10, 11 by something, because if I do it like, if you tell me the size 11 by 15, you just see how the output will look. It will look like it is stretched. Control Z. Now I will just duplicate and repeat the images. Alright, in the remaining space you can add, if you have some small logos or if you have different images, you can add the empty space. So we will need a file which is in PNG. So you'll have to export it to PNG you have to export it. And what is PNG, what is JPG? Just a quick overview. If I'm putting a box behind this and I'm filling black color inside, so this is a PNG image. PNG means transparent background. So whatever is your t-shirt background, we will be printing only the text. If you convert it to JPG, I'll just show you. I'm converting it to JPG without transparent background, and if I put it here, it will look like this. It will have a white background on the image. So your image has to be in PNG only. Now you can either send us directly this file, or you can convert it to PNG. I'm just removing the background now. I just export it to PNG. Test PNG. Sorry, I converted it to JPG. Control export again. Test PNG. PNG. Selected only. Export. While selecting, I'll click on maintain size. So here you can see 21 by 38.5 is my export size. You can now send us this PNG image for printing. Thank you.